Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm sharing a special South Asian Waray recipe, Lahori Bhallay and Karachi style Baray, in one video. Let's start the recipe. We'll start by making Karachi style Baray. Rinse 1 cup of moong dal and soak it overnight. Drain the water the next morning. Add 1/2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now, grind it into a fine paste. Whisk it for 10 minutes. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. Whisk again for 10 minutes. Next, we'll fry the Baray with a small spoon. Fry until golden, then take them out of the oil. Our Karachi-style Barays are ready. Now we prepare our mash and moong dal bhallay. Dal mash 1 cup and dal moong 1/2 cup washed and then soaked overnight. Drain the water in the morning. And then add ajwain 1/4 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Grind it very well. Beat it for 10 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Beat again for 10 more minutes. Deep fry in medium hot oil on medium flame. I'm making small fritters because it's Ramadan and smaller ones look better for ifta'aar. Turn the sides when it turns golden. Once they turn golden, we'll take them out. Our soft and airy bhallay are ready. Now we prepare South Asian special waray. Whole dal mash 1 cup wash and soaked overnight. Drain the water and add 1/4 tablespoon of ajwain, 0.1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Eat fresh curry leaves and grind it very well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Beat it for 10 minutes. Fry in a medium hot oil on medium flame. Fry until golden. It's cooked the same way as regular fritters. Our waray is ready, crispy from the outside, soft inside. See the crisp. Freeze for 1 month in an airtight container. Baray. Waray. Bhallay. Do tell us what Ramadan preparations you've done so far. May Allah accept all our ibadat, ameen. If you like the recipe video, hit the like button, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel Cooking in a Budget. Catch you soon with another delicious iftar recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.